Morning, buddy. Working overnight again, huh?
Yeah, man, I'm fucking beat. I gotta be at work again at 4 p.m.
You got it. I'll be as quiet as a church mouse.
Shut up.
Oh, sorry, John. I was looking for pick.
Get the hell out of here!
Fettuccine, cold beer and wheat, but a big warm bun and a huge chunk of meat. It's a cheeseburger in paradise.
Hey,
Heaven Oh, sorry, I was practicing for the big show this weekend.
Sleep! And ye sleep! What the hell are you doing? Get the fuck out of here! I'm trying to sleep! God. Please stop it!
Oh, sorry, this water is bad.
Stop!
Sorry. I like mine with lettuce and tomato. Heinz 57 and French fried potatoes.
Guess I better go to
Big
work.
kosher pickle and a cold draft beer. Well, good God Almighty, which way do I steer? Big kosher pickle and a cold draft beer.